The National Maritime Council condemns the hostile actions against the country's legitimate maritime operations within its maritime zones. The aggressive posture of the Chinese vessels highlights a continuing pattern of aggression, coercion, and intimidation within Philippine waters.
Collision! 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 Ina! Collision!
Collision, starboard side. Sir, malapit na sila, sir. Collision, sir. Starboard side, sir.
Collision!
Malapit na, sir.